entrepreneur. I think an entrepreneur is someone who um, thinks out of the box. You come up with a solution. Maybe you have a product or a solution that which can also be scalable, right? And it has an impact. So typically people think about the financial impact that the entrepreneur makes. You start a business, the business makes money.
Hmm.
But then I sometimes think there are other entrepreneurs, right? Like you think about social entrepreneurs, right? Whether it's like Teach for America has come up with a new way of teaching in inner cities and at the same time building youth. Or if you think about
Hmm.
YMCA as a
Hmm.
startup that, it's a nonprofit that gives job, or Salvation Army, you give jobs and at the same time you're making money, but you're serving the community at the same time.
Yeah.
But it's scalable and it can spread to so many
Yeah.
societies like Habitat for Humanity.
True.
These are all entrepreneurs too, but they may not be judged the same way that like a Steve Jobs or Bill Gates may be
Hmm.
judged, right?
True.
So I feel like, and even like, I mean, you're an entrepreneur, I'm an entrepreneur, right? Like you
Hmm.
work for yourself, you have that independence. So it's just a broader, I think I look at the word entrepreneur broader, more about independence
That's
and
what I
freedom.
think.
It's like
Yeah.
freedom and independence.
Yeah.